Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a supported Samsung phone and an active carrier account. Once confirmed, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, tap Connections, then Wi-Fi calling, turn it on. You're doing this first because the phone must register the feature with your carrier. Make sure mobile data is enabled briefly if required for registration. If prompted, accept terms and enter your emergency address. These steps start the handshake between your device and carrier, so calls can route over Wi-Fi. Once Wi-Fi calling is enabled, go deeper to set preferences so calls behave how you expect. In the Wi-Fi calling menu, select Wi-Fi preferred if you want calls to use Wi-Fi first, or cellular preferred to fall back to cell when Wi-Fi is weak. Make sure your emergency address is correct. This lets first responders locate you in an emergency. Also inspect advanced handover options. They control when the phone switches between networks, and adjusting them prevents dropped calls during movement. Finish by making a test call from a strong Wi-Fi location and confirm the Wi-Fi calling indicator shows on the status bar. That proves it's active. If the call doesn't route correctly, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, reboot the phone, and reconnect to the network. These quick resets resolve most registration glitches. If issues persist, reset network settings as a last resort and re-enter passwords. This clears caches and often fixes stubborn connectivity or provisioning errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.